I've been busy over the last couple of days, totally stripped this car. So next weekend, I'm going to chop it in two. So hopefully you'll watch that video and either cry or get excited, enjoy it. I'll be enjoying it. I love chopping up things. Anyway, we'll see what happens next week. But I'll just show you quickly what the car looks like with nothing on it. So the car's been totally stripped now. So this rear section is what I'm going to use to fix the MR2 race car. So as you can see, there's nothing left on it at all. There's a couple of bits and pieces in the engine bay that I don't think I'll ever be able to sell, so they're still there. It's not a big deal. The fuel tank is out. As some of you know, taking the fuel tank out sucks. It's not one of the best jobs, but when the car's all apart, it certainly helps. I've even taken the side windows out. There's literally nothing left in the interior. Taken everything out. But this car's a Targa top, and it's had some work done to the, well, I think it's had a new windscreen put in there. I'm not sure if you can really see that, but that is super rusty. It's pretty bad, and you can see the rust was starting to come out through here. So it's not ideal. And I'll just hop in here and show you down here too. And it's all rusty in here where the rubbers go for the Targa tops. Random screw. So it's pretty rusty. And the side window on the other side there has been replaced at some point, and it's quite rusty as well, which is a bit surprising because these cars, from what I've seen, and also Celicas, because I've wrecked lots of these Celicas of this generation, they just don't rust. Not in Australia anyway, but this one's got quite a lot of rust in it. So this isn't the original sealant, so that window's been out before. Obviously haven't done a very good job fixing that, whatever was wrong with it. Doesn't look like it's been crash damage, but maybe it did have some rust in there originally, not sure. This is an Australian car, so it shouldn't rust. Really not sure why it's got so much rust in it. It's got some rust on the inside here too. So there was one guy who wanted the top to be chopped off, and I convinced him he doesn't want it because it's so rusty, it's not really worth it. And so yeah, next weekend I'm going to chop it in half so I can get the rear half, and hopefully I can help someone in that needs a front half. So that'll be for sale soon. So there's no damage there. It's all straight. There's no rust in the front bit other than a little bit of damage here, but you won't ever see that. Obviously that'll get fixed when you put the new guard on, whoever's going to buy it. So it's not too bad. So anyway, yeah, so that's the car. That's going to get chopped. It will no longer be a MR2 next weekend. So I'll do another video of me chopping it up. That'll be fun. And I'll of course move these out of the way. Don't want to get crap all over those. This one's for sale if anyone's interested. Not sure how much to charge for it. It's an RA60. It's basically the base model. It's nothing special, but it does look cool. It's lowered. It's got Simmons wheels. It's got the Japanese mirrors, but it is auto. It's a 2-litre 21 RC engine, so it's not very powerful. Bit of a cruiser. It's definitely not a performance car. But if anyone would like to have a cool car, then let me know.